Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a scale. Place a ruler or a coin in the same plane as the object you want to measure and take the photo. Make sure the camera is as parallel as possible to that plane, because tilt introduces foreshortening and error. Once done, note the distance from camera to object and any focal length or crop factor. These help refine calculations. This first action gives you a reliable conversion from pixels to real units, so measurements later are meaningful. You now measure pixel distances. Use any image editor or measurement app and draw a line over the known object to get its pixel length, then draw lines over target features. Divide the real known length by the pixel length to get units per pixel, and multiply each target pixel measurement by that unit value. If perspective appears, measure multiple reference points and use averaging or transform tools to correct. This reduces error. When objects are not perfectly parallel, you finish by converting all target pixel lengths using your units per pixel factor and record the results with appropriate precision. Once done, verify accuracy with a second reference object or a quick on-site measurement if possible, because small perspective or camera errors compound. If numbers differ by more than about 5%, make sure the reference was in the same plane, the camera alignment was correct, and remeasure pixel lengths. A single troubleshooting tip: reshoot with a flat scale and tighter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.